Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel KI News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about International Emmy Award 2024 and Chubby MC Chad bags the Trophy in Kids Animations category. Chubby MC Chad wins the International Emmy Award this year in the Kid Animation category. Who reads the articles to find out the nominees who are competing for this award. As the International Emmy Award started, many people around the world sat with the anticipations to know if their favorite actor of the series would bag the appreciation trophy. Some of the fans would assuredly enjoy after reading that Toby Amsterdam began the International Emmy Award in the Kids Animation category. This award usually had some tough and contenders. The nominees including Akoda Gallo, Wake Up Gallo, Mystery Lane, and a Shagog dogs. And as far as that Toby Amsterdam goes, the project in the adoption of the picture book by Julia Donnell, illustrated by Axial Shelflier by BBC. The eventual followers are street singer Fred and Lisa Cat Toby Amsterdam, who get separated after Fred meets to accident. The question appeared if they will be across paths again, and the show featured Tori Victor, Rob Bydon, Saw Pardusiu, Susan Fokoma, John Saclon, Carrera, Lloyd Roya, Fingian, David Hall, Lizzie Vatterworth, and a Felix Standard, according to the IMDb. As per the website, the project producer include Benny Goodland, Martin Pop, Simon Cuny, Lori Hobb, and Michelle Rose. Pat Amsterdam animation department include and Ajay Arunana, Jessica Estienne, Henry Atmas, Luke Berg, Germans, Botrock, Smiley, Veron, Dipaj, Chiara Stewart, Coates, Samantha Kirtley, Owen Fan, Felix Lavanda, Sams Faraz Hamid, Iskif Stefano, Manglado, Sam Moffat, Elisa Sabot, Dominic Peter, Raphael, Siosa Max Sure, and many more. In the year there were 56 nominees from 21 countries including France, Australia, India, Argentina, the United Kingdoms, and many more. Many international television exclusives, productive, and actors were present at the ceremony held in New York are Midtowns. This year many shows and actors from multiple countries and saw themselves nominated. This true and showed us that we are surely trending in the direction of the recognitions and the diversity. Other people and adventure that won the award her and the Pine Fortress in the art programming category and the Akoba costumes in Hanger won the best performance by an actress category. Apart from that, season 2 of a Miss Western for her International Emmy in the non-script entertainment category. Brown the Impossible Formula One Story Bag. The art trophy for store documentary Penduri Rotten Point of No Return won the Emmy for short film series, and Ian Afa Dragon won of the Boys for in the kids live action category. I will like this video, and if you like this video, have a nice time. Goodbye.